McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana, this is Nana McBrown and this show is McBrown's Kitchen. And that's me the mijade na twao. Kitchen when kwa na waka mu. Me mama kwaba na me damu asese na so. Mwaji edwa na yebe share McBrown's Kitchen akwa yeye. Ene aduane no foforo kra na ene aba McBrown's Kitchen. Na me fast na Emma me sponsors. Eye High Sense yana. Everyday prices for everyday people. TV, mobile phone, sound system, air condition, washing machine, cooker nini na. Bibia pebia iron, ubenya High Sense. Na me that tasty Thomas. Tasty Tom tomato mix. Intos bakwe wo dwaswa anunsu ya de na tie. Udia vitamins and fiber. E bua nipadua no. E wom enuntidi na yema wo. Me da Awake mineral water say. Awake one for life. Awake na otwa na ye mfaso ni bi ni aboa no na de aboa Kwalebu Cardio Center na tie awake aboa Kwalebu ya aboa no am say yenya bro 1 million Ghana. Awake mineral water o mo ajade dodo ye da o mo ase na me kanfo anwa anwodin wom anwa wudia enna otachere maso anwa any cholesterol anwa free natural source natural olive mu ana olive mu ni atwe free eye original virgin enie Borges olive oil and make performance fi necro and no na fire aduane na very healthy ebe wow na me busuafo hwemi jadi ayofe Shabrochefo amusi dan. Ghana fo amobo bra. Mr. P and to block and kofa plywood bi antare ujade. Ai emo enye fe. Na se wo contact launcher. Launcher beba wo fie na wa be susu. Ka launcher kitchen there expert. Enye no nko amu be fie be susu closet. Bibia wo ye ba. Bibia pese launcher deco ma obia. Obeyama. Launcher kitchen. Thank you so much, sir. My building, McBrown's Kitchen. Kaimu amaye. Na meda nchensen papa for fiase. Royal Kitchenware. Royal Kitchenware for ye. Company bia. Omo di chensen hu ejuma bro 12 years. Omo makola Angelina House. Asa no mo Kumasi Fanti New Town. Upe Sonex cookware ubenya oho. Sana Kitchen King. Cookware no subenya oho. Ansana Alaka plastic ware and no so benya wo Royal Kitchenware for ya da omo asepa na ebusuafo mada etitru ni omo bo amiase yi be pesa me ka kire o se menua delay so ka ho delay mackerel and sardine ono so nampa don penny peche like that e wo dwaso a anuncio no ho Jesus so touchamas no se na nama me dia dance pa me da mo ase na ebusuafo madam sponsors akasie ya me for mu ni agroi madam adie adam ase awie na me da me nuam ombo ase enwi die heritage na de cheme na mo beauty bow salon and spa and na di machia be siesie ho kama amami Alegina makeover and the year menimi mata de fabric no free Julico fabrics e o makola na ne pam no de e chic collection chic and ejuju me style na me sha na wo share me picture see manim ho a near title apple pie publicity and a chairman apple pie publicity na me said that Ahara studio so for ase na mama me ntwa me ho se sia ma me ba McBrown's Kitchen be ye butu mo se said that say me rubber sembia baba still the attitude is the same me kwa was sia.
We are a people of choice and preference. Our choices determines the quality of our lives. Our preferences depends on vast reasons. High Sense has all the reasons.
High Sense Inverter Fridge is very elegant. Efficient cooling system that keep your food fresher.
Hisense means quality, long-lasting quality.
Hisense AC is energy efficient, it's super chill, and it does not make noise. Watch all your seasonal football matches on Hisense TV. Only Hisense gives you 5 years warranty. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hisense, life reimagined.
Ene edru meso se me di abusua hia mu yeni se die mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi ti say uncle me school judge no
e wo say wo di kra no to school foforo mu
auntie ama subai mu ja unse me so dodo ena mekuma awusiesie mu judge
Debbie's sister want to mend your sister
e wo say wonya akokodro wo hyehyeye bia obeye ho imposa nipa nyina na wonya adwe emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon dro wo mu ani fe ani said paste na pi na ye de fiber any vitamins aka wonti Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mabusua ni nyina aduane a ede esanso ma ho den Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
351251.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Abusuafo me da mo ase. Na me introduce me guest right now. Afuna we. Ne hu ansam kitikita. Akwala ase hu say when you know so na mum ube hu no. Me pa chopi. Oso na bro for dinde Andrea. Edina okajizo bo mwati Andrea na mbisa say the day you are na no say there be ono so ni din no Andrea but don't know him say your friend no Efia Odo Mr DJ mamenyom ni enfa hia Efia Odo Stonga again Efia Odo wine slow. Do it. Hey, you're running chimney. My whole life. May Rabo. Hey, yes. Explosion mixed with cannabis. Me and you, I go fuck up when the money comes. Hey, we'll say. Yes, come on. My wife has said, "My go easy." Me se bancho, me tina menazo. Thank you, Mr. DJ.
Oh, Nana, I brought you something. It's all cupcakes and mao. Come on.
Hey, ready? We don't can chachra.
Cupcake. Oh, yeah, be one. Ta-da! It says McBrown on it, and it's just different flavors because you're so sweet. Intimate sweets. I did that, bro.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Next time, one magazine, mommy.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes.
I'm just kidding. I love it.
Thank you
so much.
You're welcome.
Wow. McBrown's Kitchen, no. Oh, they are the pet there. You bet D. One of the meant to be for TV no one. To be a mom. Why? You. Okay, if you see the chef fridge.
Oh, yes, but my chef fridge.
We find some high.
Oh, yes, high sense fridge. Hey, fridge, you better come on, man.
Hey, tell Basha. You find that.
Me here high sense fridge.
We here high sense fridge. If you promo. Ya tete so who into I was here for Efia Odo Akwaba McBrown's Kitchen.
Oh, Yenna.
Ya Odo. Nina fa.
Thank you. I'm really happy to be here. I want you to like make dough so much. Make a treat.
Me some person catch us say cheese show now into no English no.
Me trust you kakara.
Man not it.
Mama call you free me. Ow. English ne call. Yes.
And I will call us the others.
And then they may journey. And they may journey.
I said nothing about. And no more bow.
Me mobile.
Thank
you so much.
You're welcome, darling. Now if you are bad, you can anywhere.
And then you better snail stew.
Snail stew. What's it?
Snail stew.
Snail stew.
Yes, snail ne brofu di ye angu.
Ne snail no brofu di ye.
Now the tree did ye enwa stew.
Enwa stew.
Yes.
Hey, wow. Snail stew. I dibedi
bayre and kokoi ayanwa.
Bayre ne kokoi ayanwa.
Yes.
Nice. Why you boy ingredients
Engwa kakra. On says otos na no so ninsu omo de ninsu ne ka ho mountain. E de benua aka ho.
Oh, okay. Wow. Engwa ne ninsu no.
And I be vegetables be brewa hanom. You will green pepper, bell pepper. We have the red one and then we have the orange
yellow
spicy. Yellows colors. But on say we ankasa no man a different taste.
Okay.
Oh, say when red and comfort how you feel red no. But I'm gonna try when a man a taste be I say logoligi flavor.
So when you were done, and fresh tomatoes.
Yes, fresh tomatoes and then onions, Jenny.
Okay,
Jenny. And I ginger and garlic.
Okay.
Into ginger we have garlic one saying some of chop.
And I mean with fresh tomatoes.
And then we have tasty Tom. Listen,
tasty Tom.
Me. If I'm cooking my food, that's the way I can want me to mean.
Tasty Tom and come on.
Hey,
I've no come chop.
Hey. Yeah, the tasty Tom. These are all the vegetables.
Okay.
And then we have
shrimp spice.
Powder. Yes, shrimp powder. So this is just basic ingredients. But then maybe you see oil way.
Gorgeous.
This is gorgeous. This is probably one of the best oils.
Garlic flavor.
Yes. And so you can use any flavor, but me, I prefer to use the garlic flavor.
The garlic one.
The garlic, it gives it some extra taste also.
It does.
Yeah.
It does, yeah.
So
I was for Efia Odo na bano. You need so in the TV so and the bia or been a skimpy dresses necessary and that dear.
I was
and yes, shots.
Yes, shots.
African print quantity. I am nice. African print nice, but I won't customized.
So traditional and sexy.
Very sexy.
Oh, thank you.
Very.
Thank
I was for your messages if you are certain say.
First, Pachama Mbiesu.
Okay.
I mean, Fengo is so shame when you cleaning home.
All right. Me kettle soap na wana.
Yes, into your
kettle.
Yes, I ain't a shikakra.
All right. So she if you
okay.
Okay.
So you pour the hot water. Hey, I mean English dear.
Into the so she go na
I slimy, no any bacteria be a warm but me see it in chinene lime. Normally me the lime ni cleaning me dry home. But I say a bini hanum tea. The chinene cleaning home. And so she so on said snail no very slimy cho so she no melt all the cho yes. Okay, it is slime in so you all say cho yes.
Okay, next step you're then.
So the next step we're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna start cutting. This on says green and I don't like pet.
Okay, until we bend it.
I'm free.
Oh, okay.
Some people might like it, but I made them pet.
Really,
and you always say I always say a beer. You make shamu down.
Okay.
Straight. So there's the last one.
Yeah. Good. The kitchen was ever.
It's too beautiful.
Launcher kitchen for
Launcher kitchen. It's almost my kitchen.
Oh yes, almost me have
wow. I'm more different colors.
Oh, color be pay.
I like
kitchen the size be
Let me see. I mean my favorite color is olive green.
Olive green.
Yes. Okay.
Snail stew. Yeah, no one answer, right?
Yes. No, then chicken crazy.
And the function brand never fancy you na kano. E go. Intino. Efia Odo. Na Efia Odo.
Yes.
You who want say Efia Odo. You call Efia Odo e
Efia Odo say me di ni me when I'm say. Inti.
Oh, Efia Odo na kase be come.
And ebe blender.
Yeah.
And a blender we very strong.
High sense blender.
High sense you cook for.
Into chomie no.
Into me try we okay.
You cook for something.
Like no money too brutal. It's like competition there's none.
Efia, we need that.
No competition, darling.
We need that.
Okay. In Techi Chani, so just one Jamie.
Onion.
Yes, one. Okay. Oh wow.
Catch what the bit. When you blender now, who you saw an teacher, now I am showed you.
Yeah.
And to me, some blender, then it's 2 years.
I think that's fake. This thing, this machine is very good.
I'm not numb to some McBrown's now.
No. Okay, and see, and I'm batching your person me blended tomatoes and cahons. Yeah, for we name go boom kakradin si.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You have blended tomatoes.
Yes.
All right.
And I think say snow no yabbing. Yeah. And see.
Say the open or no?
Say them pen, yeah. But right now we're getting very serious into batch my person me teaching material. Sana uncle Johnny.
Oh, okay. McBrown's kitchen me what type McBrown's kitchen they won't say yeah, say the Efia Odo. They won't say I make a shot
but McBrown's kitchen, everything is here.
Everything be
you know they miss anything.
We everywhere.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'm going to blend your tomatoes.
Okay.
Akra. Yeah, everything is already washed. My main child, so we're very strong.
Oh, too.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, blending and toast now. They baby young was tunes. If you're in a bono.
Yes. Yes, so just blend. Okay, good. But she didn't so be good bowl from Sana. I see her on the
area.
So next we're gonna cut our vegetables.
And you cut here.
Okay, entry chart to Sodiano. Wow. Okay.
Now, Efia Odo, let me be south to try.
Okay.
Who is Efia Odo?
Yeah, Efia Odo, me, I'm just like me brofone, but my
kakra. Who free him?
Me free drabin. Okay, Efia Odo, your oba papa of free drabin. Me, just a loving person. I don't know what to really say about myself, but I just know that I'm a very good person. My tree is not good. I don't know how to say the tree.
Toto papa, so it's okay.
Okay, I feel that me and papa. Me order, me dini me when I'm say. And to say, okay, I feel order ni me.
Who free him?
Me free drabin, drabin kumase. So him drabin. Yeah. Okay, so now
2019 Jenny.
2019 Jenny.
Enti ya chi yes tu no.
Achai.
Me ma ode be ye. Me ma ode.
Bowl for stew.
Like
yes, and see this the same one. And see pachin shi wingu. Yes. And see pacho snail no. I think so been see pese me chi ho kakra bi before say be stew no.
Okay. E busanfo ya nwa enwa stew na na ye no.
Into obey suit the obeche no obey you so no other stew no.
So one obey
yes,
the becho you know.
So na flavor na abem.
Yes. Come. Once a budgets no kakra bi na ma wodiane no aye kama. Anwa papa no. Okay. So wo chino piano emu de na free.
Oh, I didn't know. Thank you.
Emu ahode no free. Sana budgets there. Andrea. Por qué vos querés?
¿Qué tú dices?
¿Qué tú dices de por qué?
¿Qué tú dices? Yo no hablo ¿qué?
Me say.
Yeah, ¿qué tú dices? Like what you said.
¿Qué tú dices? Say. Ada way Spanish ni ana.
No, always say like I was sure cuz come out Spanish at high school. Intimation at high school.
Okay, until you can broche ko school. That means what na broche.
Oh yes. It made me free Ghana at the age of 5. And I'm calling my mom broche that. Oh, New York.
Okay.
Brooklyn,
America.
Yes, Brooklyn in the house.
Ada ya plug Viviana.
Oh wow. Oh no, you weren't lying. Kind of crazy.
And to you so the good skin movie.
Yes, no, and yen shingu. Yes, it be see one. That's right.
Hey, ¿por qué?
Mucho caliente, sí. Caliente is hot.
It's hot.
So caliente.
Hey, and why you caliente? Who said dear pan ya dinimo?
Then I think on say because me yes bikini pictures ne sa you want me na kakra me chikakra
because we say na Efia Odo ye hwan we are actress and we are musician we are newscaster we are there
Pacha Efia Odo me a TV presenter a radio personality and I'm also an actress in TV shows more TV shows me I want my station Crest TV and I'm yeah OK FM radio presenting on Fridays and I'm acting kakra and see I'm a very versatile me bibia I think so when I check kakra I rather be in my country and I know so I have a lot to give when I'm saying why the papa baby I'm person me me free you understand what I'm saying me chrome obviously America my home my bread like I'm not really enthusiastic about staying there anymore I wanted to come to I'm person me Ghana na me yen nyoma kakra
the entire America say you're very beautiful but quiet to say you can't feel Odo na about trim say girl no yi no ho no what is it
okay
Ghana there be slang but I know the Ghana for ni we are say who from America now auntie what slang here we should pardon you I mean we should accept you
yes thank you and laugh obi say locally a cry but it's not and I want to add my Jane in first.
Yes.
Okay.
Mrs. Chachino, so no come on here.
You sorry.
What's about this? Catch this and a bit wash.
A bit wash and come in the same.
Baby.
Yeah, but this Borges is very good.
And the Jane goes to you.
Yes.
Efia Odo. Ghana for never woman. So we didn't have a year.
Yes, snail stew. Okay. It's Jane in the womb.
Jane in the womb. All right.
You better check a crown. Some my add you blend other vegetables. Not make after that's not made a room. Then swatch it. Come on.
If you are the umbrella, come out.
We don't eat it yet.
What are you done?
How does it taste? Oh, it was hot.
Oh, very.
Yes. Bacho, I Mary. Oh, Nana. Oh, give me some. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe I do.
That's what I'm quite so you say a quick kebab.
How did my couldn't be? I go home. Oh, we're giving you ideas. To
a bien coming you.
Really good.
Don't call that.
Oh, no. Never go see Hono.
Free, and you won't have the Hona. What's that seed? Film and I see.
So before, okay, before some bagan like okay, me one of that. And but I had a friend. I had a friend Enoch at Accra. No age more was telephone for him. And so catching me say, oh, if I saw person bagan there, I was so stay for at least 6 months because by that time no I movies kakra. And see on the mommy push some membra into me Brian and me movies. My first movie, I'm in Jacket company. I don't think it's all back high, but many last scene be.
Oh, okay.
Into me movies no, and I'm acquire my first big movie like lead role, Royal Diadem. And then my first movie, and ever since then, no, I started saying movies. I used to move fresh from saying movies.
Now, yes, star right there.
Oh, that one there. I find I'm a star in the air bar. I used to take a cry and see. I'm my opportunity. Kakra, so me da eno kasepa on the obwa me.
I know the work train.
Oh wow, you've got everything in this kitchen. Oh my god,
this is McBrown's kitchen.
I love it.
Yeah.
Again, so any basis to kakra, but I want to add a little bit of shrimp powder. Yes, while it's cooking. But season the comb.
All right.
Yeah. Gotcha. Where is that small spoon? There you go.
And to buy a movie, you know. And now why a series so?
Yes, Yvonne Nelson. Oh, the day Yvonne Nelson almost see Yvonne person being in the series no. I said, what? No one in me.
So said I'm from McBrown's kitchen.
Listen, when you friend me, no, me say ma, guess what? What's the day? Me say now we're going to friend. I say, hey, you know we're going to friend. Everybody is superstar. Me say, yes, she's called me because I'm gonna say me power like since I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's just a great opportunity for me to be here. I said me why not about McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, it's my friend mom catching.
What do you think about McBrown's kitchen? Just say me who say why raba. And you won't knock form. Say so me who say who carriers na yard also. Who TV. So we were radio. So why focus?
Yeah, my focus. Yeah.
And
I had to.
bro.
Thank you very much.
Say, "Oh, be on your focus." No, Mama.
I thought to shade kakra.
There be some person say we are so your focus.
Okay, yes.
So when you open.
Yeah.
Now I there and you also na one go show.
Yes.
Obey your name, obey your mistakes before you get to know what you really want to do.
Yes.
And you know, everybody deserves to have an opportunity.
Yes.
But then until you get to that focus lane,
you have to prove yourself.
Yes.
And I feel like my proving me one show into our friend.
Yes.
Yes.
Until you go so snails.
Okay.
Now, Revlon, no what to say.
I think my phone ring.
Revlon.
Rev.
Now,
Yeah.
Rev, what is?
Oh no, yeah. Oh
yeah. Then Rev, what do you see as you just are?
Okay.
Oh, no chance you. No, I could jaw so few things. What's that?
Oh, I answer what Jamie was Sophie. I want to say
I'm swimming to us swimming
myself back to shore. I'm back. But Rev, it's normal. So relationships there, and yet they're only starting out anyway. Most of the time. But minute Rev like he showed me. Or chairman, he's a very good teacher. On Kasa Bebre, but he lets you know when you're doing something wrong. When Tia wow faults.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, into Revlo no like.
That's a wow fault.
Oh yeah, I will take it.
And then you too anymore.
Yeah.
Said I'm to canoe and a boat.
Yeah, to ship.
And I ship. Then no to be free ship the Titanic basic forms.
On so be on the subai. One ha the obibetimia handle no. Somebody else can't handle.
And we a mistake being in a relationship.
I think in the beginning, we didn't really get to know each other so much.
But you were in love.
Say it yet. Yes, it was like instant connection. Oh, I said electricity be found.
Into Revlo, fever no foul, and I say, yeah, the pool may be photo. Yeah, that pass your photo. Yeah, did you have a photo? Yeah, baby, I will be I sure.
Oh, like I answer my shut and I'm yes. Oh,
that's my daughter.
And I mean, so no, I'm used to always showing what I'm doing.
Okay.
Oh, they're normal. I mean, some minute boy, one man. I say, oh my dear, and see him and see one. And Lloyd,
I mean, do we?
Oh, so no, boy, when I say you don't care about what people have to say, you love the person, you don't mind showing the person off. And then you want dream say one day be giant.
Yes.
You understand? It's normal. People break up all the time.
Normal.
Exactly.
And so you move on.
Oh yeah, you have to move on in life. Oh, it's been now. Almost
You have a new guy now.
Oh, right now, dear, like I'm not in a relationship, like mini relationship more.
Okay.
But like, oh, I have friends, I know guys.
You talk to
normal talking, and you're like dating because right now my very focused on my career. Right now, I want to make money.
You want to make money.
I don't want any kind of distraction from Bema Simmons, Hanyamano.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's put it here. Okay. Tomatoes now you're blending it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The tomato, fresh tomatoes.
Yes. And then the fresh tomatoes, we need to also add the tasty tom. I can't cook without my tasty tom.
Oh, okay.
So this is the tomato paste.
There be the mama trust this in me.
Tasty tom.
Said the bean came me a free nito.
Oh.
Me a free her.
Okay.
Me a free as here no. See. Nina. Bako crankem.
Now tasty tom. Tom, where did Tom name come from?
Tom was the chef.
Oh.
No, the way brand way there is tasty. The tasty Tom.
Tasty Tom. Because I'm like, oh, who's Tom?
There be McBrown Tom. So next.
So I have to taste tasty Tom and the tomatoes and everything. I'm going to cut. But let me try peppers. So we can give it some kind of color. I want to say snail dark in color. And just added vegetables. When you go, my man is some kind of nice brightness.
Okay. I want to need to.
I won't use much. I'll just cut half of each. Remember say
tomato stew. They say I need to tune kaka.
So
now yeah. Who you try where you be but still yeah bon come on.
Okay.
Side so be in sister Gina kitchen.
Yes. I said me auntie Echa. Oh no, but once I'm so ask no kaka. Echa Ohio.
Hey, Miss River no dey Echa. Me pay see dey.
Hey.
Now nice. Yeah, dey go my wie. Mama mi sound send me the matitude. No way no. No wa clear because dodo na diadwene. Na you be katem say minim say no before Revlon and after Revlon. Rev.
Yes.
Obi katem say asa woni Mugi's akwa out me.
Mugi's from R2B's?
Yeah.
No.
Them say life is sweeter than you put it that. You can know the rest of blow your meter on. You get the hassle. I know go out. I no cry na say no cry.
But so many Mugi's and dated that he's one of my really good friends.
Okay.
But in dated I'm sure said because no more in the shop. Also a shop where he's gone. Into na am a tie e wo honum. Pa. But many Mugi's
Na EL.
EL. No, I don't know. EL. No, I've never dated EL.
Okay. Okay. Me
now go tell us for you. Oh, that many EL and dated. Oh, but I me sure can put that. Into person me trying to free honum. Yeah, fan cast.
Aside omuno. Showbiz one and a crowd.
Oh, I have not dated anybody in showbiz.
I mean, Mr. Easy.
It's that easy. Mr. Easy, our girl, no. Billionaire's boyfriend, daughter's boyfriend. No, Mr. Easy. I've never even been in the couple in Casada.
No, it's on a music video.
I want to say, I Kwasi Arthur's video, and I'm Mr. Easy feature.
Anyway, I'm going because you had so online so. Or dial saying
911.
0911. What also saying? Yes, Kwasi there is serious.
Oh, really? Kwasi Arthur. Why? Because many a video now.
Yeah, me there woman abroad. Someone can serious case.
No, me Kwasi Arthur we are just friends. Like even certain so company me this year. Before also me probably some me ka. Yeah. Because me my cast I have a crush on him.
Why? Ghana for the end crashing. The moment you crash no
I crash it.
And there's some more date here.
Oh no. We in date like me penasem like me peninium tour the way he moves or in his shirt on stage so come on. But then it's like a mini dating. But I like him as a person.
Yeah, the young one
you've eaten all.
The young one gum nice and next you know. Abne kama. Efia.
IFO.
Efia papa sanyo na ye nso ano aye.
Again after the yede agum no me be se me hwe okay ni nsuo na ene ne ban.
Ane.
Me be se me ne me de
nsuo no yes. Okay. E hwe nsuo no. Na na we so eh.
Yes, ye de mi nu nyina begu.
Okay. Wow. Ness I want stew na ye kano. Enye nam ne nkwa wesu be ko wo.
Pacha shaking mommy. Yes, look at that. Juicy.
Wow. Efia Odo. Efia love.
Yes.
Ko dia na need ho.
Thank you. Me dwan say.
Ness e wie stew na kasa.
Ye no not yet. There was here the peppers ni gum. Na ne akata so na so for a few minutes.
And emfa ngumai. Na ne enye virus.
Yes.
That means baby adu there. Wo do virus ija so waduane no aben.
No.
Ness who did ya.
Yes. But I want to taste this. But some tasty sauce.
Do that.
See if it's
do that. Oh no, I want no waduane.
So you always taste it here.
Mate.
Taste it. It tastes delicious. Okay, good. I didn't put too much salt. You know, be on a pen, baby. It's a moderate amount.
Okay.
Yes, into pachi and kataso. Right now, main chat. So say this is gonna be enough.
Or here. Efia. Me check your man control. We are the ending in area. Yeah, the McBrown's kitchen fun. No so pewasem ebeba.
Really? That's so nice. Oh, why? Here.
There no.
Here no.
There no.
I think we should get.
Okay.
Also, by the way, puna inti nisin sometimes it's difficult to
puna when so dry.
And I add very delicious. So I want to cut it into 3. And
Sana man is easy.
Very easy, yes.
I say Mr. Easy.
Mr. Easy, I say we look over for you. I the video didn't see.
I feel me nyam kofa yo eh.
Me so omo. It's here for no. 1, 2, 3. And I am flat.
Oh, okay.
1,
Mampabaya dear.
2.
Some of say no. Modern kitchen here, one modern style in the area. Into 1979, by essence in a channel pub, some ways and we know our man. A chum, say, a channel 2019 style. All right, maybe not any. When you have no album,
No, I say Byron, sometimes a chance and I've been tea, and I break coconut say very soft. Into the Byron begum first, a who no na yedi coconut. Atum yes egum na anwa together na flavor no taste na akobare ni na kama
okay na twitwa we na fa bayre
okay
and see just so yeah me am switching mra because was a stew na there ya wi
yes the stew is almost done
I fa no mom embra middle na esonos
but me person me ho bayre no ho ansa na
oh yes we shall for the no and egusu ayeye no. Efia love. And yin catch our McBrown's kitchen no. Inti no baby I do the megiri say stew yi aye wakono aye wanika snail stew. Snail abomu a ye de bedi bayre ene koko. Inti Efia fagumai. Na fe yensin ye koko.
Yes.
Aye. Nti ye de bayre no so eden e si ja so ye kama ye neat ebusafo McBrown's kitchen na ugusu a wo hwe na me de asede ma high sense tasty tom launcher kitchen delay mackerel and sardine awake purified water and sana Borges olive oil me da omu nyina ase o mama me kitchen aye fe na ha aye hwampa ebusafo ye betwa ye ho ne akọ commercial break aba but answer na so mo ye chance na royal kitchenware ene de aye ama ye stew na ne emu hye aye command ye barrier so na si so na fia wodi wie wodi barrier gumi kokoni komu a say de o can taste na da de nchine be kan
yes it nchine kakra bi be kan because barrier so here in own taste it's a be come and flavor from coconut sauce yes
and e busa for mama ntwa e homra sima kakra bi ye ba perdition time McBrown's kitchen me ba wi nwa no no man dia bokoko ne barrier no so no maka no kura wo ma chiro na water freeze wo fie ana num si oguso mame me didi wi anu anum si oguso num awake guso mame nti e ba sisi a it's a brim moment.
We are a people of choice and preference. Our choices determines the quality of our lives. Our preferences depends on vast reasons. Hisense has all the reasons.
Hisense inverter fridge is very elegant. Efficient cooling system that keep your food fresher.
Hisense means quality, long-lasting quality.
Hisense AC is energy efficient. It's super chill and it does not make noise. Watch all your seasonal football matches on Hisense TV. Only Hisense gives you 5 years warranty. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hisense, life reimagined.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni se die mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba ho bi ti say uncle ni school judge no
e wo say wo di kra no to school foforo mu
auntie ama subai muja unsa mom so dodo ena mekuma awusiesie mu judge
Debbie sister want to mendra sister
e wo say winya akokodro wo hyehyeye bia obeye ho impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon dro wom eni fe eni se de paste na pi na ye de fiber eni vitamins aka wonti tasty tom and rich tomato mix mebusua ni nyina aduane a ede esanso ma hodin Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351251. Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you can disturb me at the play game.
And you know, if you have one of a training bar, who be cheer me cook, but you try the tomatoes, so go to delay my grand, we're going to the can manage. Yeah, what's wrong, Papa?
Masoka.
The man can't walk on a channel for chantre and to tomato sauce on some of the ice cream.
Delay mackerel in tomato sauce.
Nampa dompenimu.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Ebusafo. Se ye hwe vapor ye free by ye ne kokoi mu. Ne ye hwe snail stew a aye ready a aye akono ya. Na se bia wo mamu ani abre pa because wunya bia ubedi but aye too late. Ye bi wo fie na hu se McBrown's Kitchen ediane pa nko ana ede eba ha. Na me de asida ma high sense everyday prices for everyday people. High sense TV, phone, radio, sound system, washing machine, gas cooker, fridge, air conditioning na away showroom ebu say tao ya titi so say who na tasty tom the only tomato mixer, vitamins and the fiber ewo mu a udi a yema ni pedua no na made that awake purified drinking water awake nsuo one for life awake na mono mine no and e yi nto boade boa Ghana emannyina delay mackerel and sardine nampa dompenim pechere like that delay nyame shrapa I was for my kitchen if launcher kitchen I film and I show mu on Instagram now mu your kitchen fie and now fie emau was closet but bia o pese ye design di dua eye bibia o bathroom ni nyina o mbeyama na me koso ade aseda ama Borges olive oil anwa eno ena yese ye die because eno ena ye healthy eno ena say udi wi a wonten ka bia wa akire wanum enya nyonyonyo wotachema so na wata wakoma so ho beti udi a no so wadi anwapa because of the aseda am a royal kitchenware efie royal kitchenware eye baby a ton chensen papa ye ton plastics papa into freomu omu on crying Angelina House shop number 7 Kumasa Sofanti Newtown but from nanya easy ma was 055-966-7002 and a 0244-966-379 Royal Kitchenware Madam Wase usafo ye ba be didi dia na osameka Minuamu mo sese me ho ansa ne abedidi ne tunyi heritage na de chame sana beautiful hair and salon sese ho mam Alegina na ye manimi mata de fabric no for Julico Fabrics na chic collection so ajujumi said me gina we kama me ba chop him dia seda ema apple pie publicity say omuso ayeme esisi fa bebre ade me kai me pictures abobon am knife into here so be by printing affair apple pie was 057-923-8127 na omunye wo printing bibia ma me pa cho ye ba be didi Efia Odo cheba me I'm coming cheba me I'm coming cheba me na min chewa dia. Oh really? Delay mackerel and sardine. Delay say me pancho so bad McBrown's Kitchen.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sana Borges olive oil papa. What just supposed to say? And a high sense. Let's see. I'm here, Shama. High sense. So Emma, pressing iron, electric one with Amcon gas cooker. Where Amcon and high sense. Yebusia bako. Okay. Amcon and high sense. Yebusia bako. Nyina showroom benye biato. Oh my goodness. And I
really need an iron too.
You need an iron.
Thank you so much.
Nah, if ya And see any drinks ye. Fama me shikshengua. If you see any drinks ye free. Casa Precon. Awake purified drinking water. Any royal drinks. And sunny or smart choice flavored water. And so count Nina free. Casa Precon. Na me patosha hanuma day.
Tasty time. Tasty time.
Apam dada ni mnene se. I want to come chat about. Say I say tasty tune. One pon show. Efia.
Oh yes, I need this.
Next show you the one man. Royal kitchenware. For 7 fan now I say.
Thank you.
Aye, konwamu ofie.
Yes.
Die cast for papa. Why? Na ye wie ni nyina. American burger. We free luncher. Luncher see about 40% of kitchen be a percent. Ye be ma.
Are you serious?
Who will be who a kitchen so that an percent be a renovating our luncher for be
40%?
40%. 40%.
That's a lot of
percent. A lot. I know you for guests to be a McBrown's kitchen. In team, but your number, contact. Thank you,
Mancha. Thank you so much.
Mama share near me, Sister Mammy Efia.
Okay. Wow.
It's the Fanny Jenshia. Oba, come, Abina. Yes, Abna. Welcome to McBrown's kitchen. Hello. How are you?
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Wow, you two speak English?
Kakra.
Because also best slang no.
Ebeba ne.
Ebeba. Odo tinasia. Na ye nidi. Ye mom pie. Efia boy.
Should I pray?
Yeah, pray.
Tree or English?
Tree.
Okay. You gotta close your eyes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know.
Respect my God. Okay. Already, that was to say. To me about McBrown's kitchen, with Mama Yahoding, come. Father, as we eat, I pray that nothing that the devil has planned against us will mess us up as we eat. I pray that as we eat, the ingredients, the Mama Yahoding, and Mama Brown, and so Yahoding, it actually boosts your phone in the microphone, I guess, so, or baby dinner, I come, but I say, right, that was so my Yahoding, Yabahanum, Ya Consua, Edomo Jabestani, Nasa Bibia, High. Na ye and so me bomb high I'm amen every day that I say amen Efia na dia no pie there they can say deliver me there 3 years now they share budget go ni across wow I don't know why mommy anything mommy anything because the dia me the can attend me me dia no cry ajo. So the food looks delicious. It looks yummy. Hopefully it's going to taste good too.
If you still need you, be a bit media. Why?
Okay.
Wow. On say where because of where you want it.
Yes, please. Yes.
Why?
Thank you.
And 1A22. Oh. 22.
You should get one because you ate 2.
And it's all a candy be grand. Save yourself. I was 4 years, Didi. But then, some them inside Didi. Although I call my McBrown's kitchen.
Yeah.
Yakasa, mammy. Yeah. Yo, me pacha u free here. Na McBrown's kitchen, send on yo.
Oh, I love it. Me shepa on YouTube, because me wa Canada and you into me in live like
to show YouTube. Wow, Canada way. Yeah, madam was say. Now waba to Efia Odo.
Aye.
Wouldn't him Efia Odo?
Oh yes.
Of course. Now and then person be say na semba kope.
Okay. My curious question.
Can you tree yentam?
I mean can you tree? Me te say no ne shatawale. Ewo ho. And almost either so almost that's one and no more. Oh, there be no more trimpna.
Oh, sir. And me miss our new.
And 2% almost like yeah,
the truth behind that, yes.
Okay, so what them penasem. Me asem.
Nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth. I can only speak the truth. But we are just friends. But I love him like a lover. Inti, Pacho.
If you are doing media, I am the pan. Pacho, who are doing anything?
Come on. Aduane na there.
Oh, I can't cry.
Oh, Johnny, good. But
you, if you are idea. Where the one woman, me animals.
Oh, Mango Mammy, Medofo, Jabin Sewa. Then I ran on. Jabin Sewa.
Obana who animals. Efia Odo.
Nana.
That's all about McBrown's.
That's how inviting me. Like, I need you to be able
to one question back.
Okay.
I didn't know brazier. I don't know for this.
Oh, God. No, for the many beans, and who has a mobile brazier?
Yo, Efia, now you are doing something for yourself. What are you going to tell your fellow young people who move out? Because they say, as a social media, no. I feel it. Are you rich?
No. I'm not rich, but I'm better than where I was. Life is all about improving and life. I said, only now all progress now going. Where baby I'm 1 or 3 years ago no mini hobby. Nancy I'm one and I didn't have that same answer before. And see me no mini car me buy me the Uber na buy. And see I'm not rich. If I was rich, trust me, come work hard baby. But me, yeah, but right now I'm doing something productive. I'm working towards all of those things. To be me young girls out there, or my family send me a role model, or more pema seminar. I always tell them that they should look at my good. My papa no me, you know. I know it's more than my bad. And if they want to be like me, in the sense of being all about love and hardworking and I think you want more.
You want more stew.
Hey, you like my stew? That means my stew is popping. Yes. No, my stew is popping. Can it be?
Your stew is popping.
Yeah. So like I want all the young girls to say. No, you can't give her no more snow. She had 2 snows already.
Hey, Jay.
No, also soon to me snow. No,
I thought we played this.
Oh,
Efia.
Yes.
Me do it, that means Edda.
That means Edda. It's my yard.
My idea, pa.
Mommy shout to me, mommy.
Yeah, shout to no.
Mommy, I love you. You taught me very. Only said me, so no, mommy in pew. Missy kitchen. I have to stay in the kitchen and watch her cook. Inside me, me pray because I'm in
Yeah, that was the McBrown's kitchen here. But that's so bad.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. My guest. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Canada, me chia omunyi na.
Mate, my mama swati.
What's my feel?
Mate,
chia omunyi na. Na, ediani rating is 1 to 10. Cannot correct nothing but the truth.
9.2.
9.2. Jaka 8 you be
0.8, yeah.
0.8 to the I don't know count.
9.8 now they're free for.
Maybe or no
I lost 1 piece of snail, so.
Oh!
You lost 1 piece of snail.
And I did, bro.
She got a 10.
Thank you.
McBrown's kitchen. I didn't understand them. I was for me, Damwase, say, Moshe, and that's so McBrown's kitchen, mammy. Now, me, da, boy, for us say, high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber, and it's good for you. Launcher Kitchen, the tranquility of Deben. But for no one, Miss Yen Mabeka. Launcher, Adamwase. Awake purified water, 1 for life. Delay mackerel, Nampa dompenim, delay sardine, peche like that. Royal Kitchenware, Medamwase. And why you na my mistake. Borges olive oil. Borges, yes. Madam Wase. It's always the best. And you know, thank you for watching McBrown's Kitchen. You better have now chesana. DJ boy Efia Odo nyom last.
Yes.
Never hear but answer na ubaba nyom no. Efia yi adwe mami. My guest, Pacho, Royal Kitchenware for say, me fa chow. Me fa na wa sisa buy. What it? The fashion bag for Canada.
Mate, me the back.
Now, Borges where the man am dey chow.
Mate.
Borges olive oil. And fa ko bompa ye keke. Fa no aduane so. Eye ni nyina. Aye. What the be no diania? Na the be we uchi kosua what I say. Madam Wase. Madam Wase busa for me din na na McBrown. Ye be say share bio na oche sene. Mr. DJ, but me Efia Odo nyom no last na yemfa eninkra. Efia na okakangu.
Hey, this is my song. Me, I like it in your
One sound near Major.
We didn't know what's up. What's the truth?
Ready.
Let's go. Winning, sir. Santos, I have a few Diana. Oh. Well, Luma, I saw that. Yebi.
I have no rhythm for that.
Oh, bravo, Temo. Yada was you. It's a brief moment.
Brief moment.
Go on, I'm a man. That was their drum right now.
So good.
So I do a ramble. The corner may my of them. Vampire, Bona, Yami, Bona, me bedra. My child wants to go. Me brony. Yes. It's a Munata, Adam, Maya, Udendo. About Mother Bruce, Udendo. It's a lot of times I'm Maya. But what you know, hey, Okodakayo, Ada, Sadafuri, Banaji.
McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen.